Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. So guess what, you guys, I'm kind of doing a semi unboxing along with doing the nails. I got my Gel X, and these are the long sculpted square, just to show you how they compare in terms of the chan. These are the chan tapered long nails. And also the Gel X come with the number and a little like logo type on the top. So I'm just cleaning everything off with alcohol, no acetone, I'm sorry, and I will be using the Gel X builder in soft gel in order to adhere all of my stones. So um, I love this little lamp, you guys. It's a gelish lamp. I love it. It's so easy to work with. But anyways, so why I'm putting this on my little nail tripod, that I like to call it, is because as you guys may know, that gel, um, the like I can't use gel polish in order, like I can't paint this with gel polish and try to adhere it with the builder. It won't, the lamp will not go through. But because there are rhinestones and there's gap within the nails, you can do it like that. You can go ahead and put them on first, and then it's a gap. Hey guys, if you haven't done by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and hit that notification bell. Okay, yeah. So but you can't do this with just regular gel polish, because the light will not go through in order to penetrate, and then by when you're trying to adhere the nails with the builder. So after putting on all my embellishment, my stones, I will just go ahead and wipe everything down with the alcohol. And the middle finger I'm leaving blank because I have to put on the white when the nails are already on. So I'm just kind of showing you what they look like before I do the builder. So this was a sample with the printer that I want to use in order to put my son's graduation photo on. And so I am cleaning off I have a little treatment on my nail. I'm cleaning that off with acetone, and then just go ahead and clean up my nails. I'm filing it, buff it, and put on all the clean it with the alcohol pad, and then do the primer, the dehydrator, and primer. But I use acetone in order to clean inside of my Gel X nails. I don't necessarily clean them with the e-file, or rough it up with the e-file, but you can. So I'm taking the dehydrator and the primer, and I'm putting them inside of the nails along with on top of my nails. So that also, so there's two kind of gelish builder that I like to that you can use, and I decided to get the one that's not in the bottle, like polished bottle, because those are so much harder to see when it's hard, if it's finished or not finished. And so that's why I like the little round one, so that you could open it and actually see inside that when it is finished, because sometimes my room is cold, that I don't know if I have any product inside the bottle or not. So I'm just putting that on after dehydrating, putting a primer, and now I'm putting the gelish on my the soft gel, sorry, on my nails, cure that, and then I'll be putting them on inside the nail, and then going to cure it with the lamp, and so that it could adhere to my nails. So I will leave the white for last, but I have to put that on first, the tip on first, then paint it, because again the light will not penetrate through the white, and it will not, I would probably have to use super glue or something in order to put it on. But I want to use the gelish products. I love, 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 love square, guys. So just to show you what they look like, my camera was off. It was kind of blur. I think I need a new phone. And then I was doing with the light, so I'm sorry about that. So I'm doing the other nail, and because I'm doing it on myself, I do the right hand first, everything that I need to do, and then I go to the left hand, because sometimes when you do all the process, you touch your nails, or a little bit of gelish gel is on there, and you get all the hands sticky. So I just do one hand at the sit, and then do the other one. So everything is on now, and I am showing you what it looks like, and then I will get my little nail printer by O2 Nails. I already did a video on that, so I will link that video to this to show you a little bit more about this printer. I paid about $600 for this one, and I love it. So I'm just buffing up my like Kara's guy says, just rough it up. Well, I'm not buffing, I'm roughing it up on the other side, and cleaning off with some alcohol, and I'm sorry, with some acetone also. That helps take off any kind of residue that comes with the nails from factory. So I'm putting on my white polish from Kara Sky because when you're printing on your nails, white shows best. Even when you're doing decals, white shows best. This product comes also with a white and a clear that you could print on. You cannot print on your nails without putting on these products first. But right now it's actual white from Kara Sky because the white that comes with it is not really white. So then I put on like 2 or 3 layers of the white. And then this is the product here that comes with the printer, and it's also a white, but I also suggest you use another white than this. Okay, this is my son picture. He graduated today, no, yesterday, and so I'll be using that on my nail. So that's how it looks like, and then I'll be using a top coat in order to seal it. But I'll show you what all I do. Okay, so they have a clear, so I guess you could put on any other color and put the clear on, and that'll work. So anyways, this is the program that I use that comes with it comes on the iPhone or your phone, and you select the Wi-Fi that goes with the system, and then you select the image. Again, I have a video about that, so I'll link that video. So this is just me doing this one, and then you shrink it to size, and then you can do a transparency and see where you want it to be. And this is so awesome, you guys. My printer was sitting for over like almost a year without me using it. I've been sick for a while, and doing nails was the last thing. Yeah, I did my pedicure and I did basic stuff, but I don't know. I kind of had to like force myself mentally to do it. So now I'm starting to do a lot more things. I'm not 100%, but God willing, I will improve 100% soon enough. So, yes, guys, look at this. I'm so in love with this printer. I'm really, really in love with it. And so it's just, this is what it looks like when you're on your phone, when the nail is inside the machine, and then you take it out. You see if you like. If you don't like it, just take it off with some acetone, and if you like it, just let it. You have to cure it. So you put on your white gel polish first. You cure that. Then you put on the regular the white that comes with the printer. Okay, I'm just showing you a different angle for doing this. And yeah, sorry, so let's start again. You put on the gel white, you cure it. Then you put on the white that comes with the printer like I showed you, and you don't cure it. You put your fingers in, print it, and then you cure it, and then you put on your top coat. And that's what it looks like. So this is for my son's graduation, and also did my feet. I'll link that. So I'll link the printer video, my feet that I did for for that day. So I just went ahead and put on some bling around there after I was done. After I was done, I was kind of like, oh, I should have did some foil, some silver foil, but or glitter, but hey. So you can see the picture more. Someone thought it was like a uh, Teresa. So I'm like, no, it's Derek. His picture. I'm trying my best to show you different angles from my little Sparkle app to show you what it looks like. See, it really came out good. This is good print, you guys. Like I said, my printer was sitting for almost over a year, and the ink was totally dried out, so I had to replace the ink. But normally this printer and this ink gives you, they say, about 40 or 200, I think 200 prints, and I was not even close to that. But I plan to buy a cleaner, and try to remedy that, because this ink is like $40, I think, for one, and I think they had it on sale. But anyways, tell me if you like it. I love my nails, you guys. I've posted some other graduation stuff, the shirt I made, and a fan. That day was so bligging hot, you guys, and my little fan helped me a lot so I didn't pass out. And this is what it looks like. That's why I said I should just put some foil up top, because it looked like he has a crown on his head. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you love it. I know graduation is gone, but it's, a late video. Thanks. Bye-bye.